need help.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you well. Repeat.
I'm trapped in a terrible storm.
You've disappeared from our radar, bro. We can't find you.
How is this possible? Hello? Radio check. Oh, I hope I'm not in the Bermuda Triangle. Whoa, this ship is my hope for salvation. I guess. I'd rather hide from the storm than here. Whoa, this is so luxurious. Hey, is anyone here? Phew, that was scary. This place is so weird. Oh, it's just a draft. Wow, this ship is more decrepit than I thought. Good monster, don't eat me. I'm not tasty. What the heck? Oh, why do I always get into trouble? Phew, this place seems safe. Oh, that was close. No! What? Oh, where am I? Phew, it was just a dream. I'm safe.